Good morning, students. I welcome you all for this teaching community. Hope you are all doing well, and you may got an introduction about the course, right? You know what is B.Ed and what are the subjects that are being taught in this course. First, let me introduce myself. I am Dr. Geeta, Assistant Professor in Sociology, and I will be handling you the pedagogy of social science. Pedagogy of social science. So you must be wondering, what is pedagogy? Pedagogy means the method of teaching, that is, or practice of teaching an academic subject. So pedagogy is nothing but it is the study about the method of teaching or practice of teaching a particular subject, school subjects. Okay, so from this topic and the title itself, we will be knowing that what is pedagogy of social science. So here you will not be learning about history, geography or economics or civics. You will be learning how to teach history, how to teach geography, how to teach economics or civics. So the methods of teaching the subjects you will be learning here under this topic. Girls, let us have an introduction about the syllabus. As I told you earlier, in this paper you will not learn history, geography, civics or economics. You will learn how to teach history, geography, civics or economics. So you will be learning the methods of teaching social science. Under first unit, you will learn nature and scope of social science. So the meaning of social science, scope, content and concept of social science, features of social science, classification of social science, difference between social science and social studies, social science relationship between history, geography, civics and economics, and why should we learn social science in this modern age. So all these topics comes under unit 1. You will learn the nature and scope of social science. Unit 2 will be dealing with aims and objectives of teaching social science. Why should we teach social science? What are the general and specific aims of teaching social science, and relationship between objectives of teaching social science with reference to objectives of Secondary Education Commission, and anticipated outcomes of teaching social science, values inherent in social science, values of national and international understanding. So all these topics comes under unit 2. In unit 3, you will be learning about the different teaching skills. There are innumerable teaching skills are there which you may not be knowing. You may not be knowing it in a practical way, but here after completing your B.Ed course, you will all learn the different skills. So micro teaching skills, you will be learning the different skills and you will practice those skills and to become a vibrant teacher. So third unit will be dealing with teaching skills. Unit 4, design of lesson plan. So under this topic you will learn how to write a lesson plan. What are the different types of, there are different types of lesson plans are there, and you'll be learning about the different types of lesson plans and how to write a lesson plan. Why should we have the importance of lesson plan and unit plans, and you will be learning how to write a lesson plan. And unit 5 will be dealing with methods and approaches for teaching social science. So there are different approaches of teaching social science, that is like learner centered or teacher centered approaches are there. And then the different methods, that is problem solving method, observation method, project method, field trip, dramatization, discussion, assignment, lecture method, team teaching. So there are different methods of teaching social science. You will be learning about all these methods, what their merits and limitations. Okay, and unit 6, self instructional modules in teaching social science, that is programmed learning, linear and branching program, computer assisted instructions, group directed instructional modules. So you'll be learning about the different modules in teaching social science, like how to use the computers to teach social science. And unit 7, technological media in social science teaching. So hardware and software approaches, multimedia in teaching social science. So hardware and software approaches means the different teaching aids that we use to teach the subject. So you'll be learning about all these things in unit 7. Unit 8, evaluation of teaching and learning in social science. So here as a teacher, it's not only, your job is not only to teach, but you should also know how to evaluate the students. So you will be learning the importance of evaluation, tools and techniques of evaluation, and characteristics and criteria for preparation of different objective type tests, short answers, question answers, essay type questions, and then preparation of an achievement test, and preparation of blueprint, diagnostic test, remedial teaching. So all this, so you should also know how to evaluate your students. Then only the process of teaching and learning will end, is it? So it's a circle where you plan, teach, evaluate, replan, reteach. So evaluation is an important aspect of teaching. So unit 9, supporting devices of social science teaching. Educational excursions, field trips, and social science laboratories, classroom, museum, library, and utilization of community resources, bringing community to the school and taking school to the community, and teaching of current affairs in social issues. So all these things we'll be learning about in unit 9. And unit 10 you'll be learning, will be having a recaps about the subjects 1 to 9th standard subjects. Okay, so this is the subject outline of our subject. In next unit, next class, I will be teaching you the first unit. And here there are some reference books given in the syllabus. Just you can have your reference in the library. And girls, let me know your feedback. How do you feel? How do you understand? And let me tell you, let me know whether you want in English or bilingual, so that when I teach the next class, I can use according to your convenience. Okay, girls?